Hi, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified when I upload a new video next time. Until last year, Android One phones were pretty rare to see. Xiaomi had the Mi A1 and that's pretty much it. 2018 suddenly saw a flurry of Android One phones. Motorola is the latest company to join the Android One program, and the Motorola One Power is a result of that. The Motorola One Power smartphone with Snapdragon 636 has been launched in the Indian market to take on the popular Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. It will be manufactured in India, and the new Motorola One Power is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. It has a display notch and is part of the Android One program so that it will get timely Android updates, taking it to get Xiaomi's new Poco F1, which does not support HD video streaming on platforms such as Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. Motorola said its new smartphone has the Widevine L1 license to support HD video streaming. The Motorola One Power is priced at Rs 15,999 in India, and the handset comes only in one configuration with 64GB of internal storage and 4GB of RAM. The smartphone is a Flipkart exclusive and registrations has already started on the e-commerce platform. It will go on sale starting October 5th. The handset has an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC coupled with an Adreno 509 GPU and 4GB of RAM. The Motorola One Power comes with 6.2-inch Full HD Plus LCD Max Vision panel along with a 19:9 aspect ratio. There is 64GB of internal storage that is expandable using a microSD card up to 256GB. This dual SIM smartphone has 2 SIM card slots and a dedicated microSD card slot. There is a dual rear camera setup that includes a 16-megapixel primary sensor with f1.8 aperture and a secondary 5-megapixel sensor with f2.2 aperture. It also has support for 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. Further, the handset comes with a 12-megapixel sensor at the front for selfies and video calling. The Motorola One Power runs stock Android 8.1 Oreo software and it is upgradable to Android Pie. Motorola One Power will be among the first devices to get Android Pie update. The smartphone packs a 5000 mAh battery that is rated to deliver 6 hours of usage in just 15 minutes of charging using the provided 15-watt turbo power fast charger. 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, AGPS, USB Type-C and 3.5mm headphone jack are the major connectivity options. Further, there is a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. This smartphone is a part of the Android One program. It doesn't include all the Motorola customizations from the software point of view. Motorola has included just the top 3 customizations, which includes a double twist gesture to fire up the camera. The Motorola One Power has a splash-proof coating and ships with the case. Based on the specifications, it is easy to see that the Motorola One Power goes up against the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. The pricing of the One Power is one of the most competitive we have seen from the company in a while. It comes just a week after the Moto G6 Plus, which was launched at around 23,000 rupees. It also squarely pits the device against Nokia 6.1 Plus, an Android One phone from HMD that has seen a positive response from customers in India. Both the phones comes with lots of similarities as well as some features that set them apart. It sure is great to see companies like Motorola and Nokia bounce back in the affordable mid-range segment. I believe the Nokia 6.1 Plus, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro and Motorola One Power are 3 phones that are pretty evenly matched, with each device offering something for everyone. We will also have to consider the Xiaomi Mi A2 in this list. HMD's phone is perhaps one of the best looking devices in the segment that comes with an attractive glass design and brings a smooth performance with Android One. If you are looking for a compact lightweight phone, then the Nokia 6.1 Plus is for you. The Motorola One Power is for those who want a phone that will not die. Its 5000 mAh battery is enough to power the device for a good 2 days on an average use. It also comes with a more steady and solid build compared to the Nokia phone, but this comes at the cost of less attractive design. That being said, the One Power is perhaps one of the best affordable Motorola phones right now, and fans should definitely check this out. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro is for those who want options to customize their interface. In case you prefer a clean, bloatware-free Android experience and love a display notch, go for the Moto One Power. If you have a little more time, don't forget to like and share this video. Also, post your suggestions and questions in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified when I upload a new video next time. That's it for now. See you next time. Have a wonderful day.